Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths लगे रहो. In today's class we will learn relations and functions. 5 marks question, dear students. Question number 6. What they had asked we will see. Check whether the function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 1 plus x square is 1 onto or bisective. That asked you bisective. So bisective means, dear students, the function which is 1 and onto, that is called as what? Bisective. Even keep in mind, dear students, 1 is also called as injective, onto is also called as what? Surjective. In exam he may give check whether the function is f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 1 plus x square is injective or surjective also. He may ask like this. Then he will ask bijective also, dear students. So now keep in mind. So 1 is called as what? Injective. Onto is called as surjective, dear students. Whether the given function is what? 1 onto or bijective. We have to check here, dear students. Let us see. First you write given function. So given f of x is equal to what? That given 1 plus x square, dear students. 1 plus x square. And your domain is real number. Codomain is also real number. Got it? So now see, for 1 we have to check whether it is 1 or not. So 1 you see, let x1 comma x2 belongs to R, and this R is nothing but domain, dear students. This R is nothing but what? Domain. This R, first R is called as domain. डोमेन का मतलब होता है जो भी वैल्यू हम इनपुट करते हैं फंक्शन में, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಲ್ಲ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. x ನ ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. x का वैल्यू जो पुट करते हैं ना उसको ही डोमेन कहते हैं हम. सो नाउ सी हियर. सो f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Clear? So you compare f of x and f of x1. What is the difference? Can you see? Here x is there. In place of x what it is? x1. x का जगह में x1 है. x in बदली x1 is there. So now you have to replace by what? X by what? x1 or not? X by x1 I have to replace in this. So what it will get? So 1 plus what we will get here? 1 plus x का जगह में x1. x in जगह दली x1 is there. So x1 square is equal to how much now? f of x2. Again you compare. X place what it is? x2. You replace x by x2, dear students. 1 plus x2 whole square. So 1 get cancelled. x1 square is equal to x2 square. Square if you send that side it will become plus or minus square root of x square, dear students. So now how much you will get? x1 is equal to plus or minus x2 you will get. Square root get cancelled. So here x1 is equal to plus or minus x2 you are getting means f is what? F is not 1 dear students. Or even it is what? 1 is also called as injective. Don't get confused. Injectivity he may give. Don't get confused in exam. For your instance I can say why it is not 1 I will say. For your instance, for your instance okay, for instance I will say you example also. So now see here, if I put 1 in the function, x value is what? 1 you are putting. x क्या put करे? Value 1. x na ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನ 1 ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So 1 square is what? 1 only. 1 plus 1 is what? 2 you will get. Yes or no? So now you put minus 1 now. How much it will give? f of 1 is equal to 2. If you put minus 1 what will get? See, minus 1 square, 1 is also real number. Minus 1 is also real number. दोनों डोमेन हैं. So minus 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. So if two functions are having a same image, then two elements of a domain have same image. See, a domain is real number and your codomain is also real number. If I put 1, I am getting answer 2. If I put -1, again I am getting answer as 2. So two functions or two elements of a domain have same image or not. So two are having same image means it is not a 1-1 dear students. Got it? Understood everyone? दो एलिमेंट्स के लिए एक ही इमेज होना नहीं है. समझ में आ रहा है? ये दोनों का वैल्यू कितना है? इसका इमेज दोनों का 2 है. 2 का 3 का 4 का हुआ तो इमेज एक ही वो 1-1 होता है. many one होता है. Sorry, it is not 1-1. Got it? Clear? So now in Kannada we want to say means this is ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು 1-1 ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 1-1 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. 1-1 होना ही है तो ए को एक ही इमेज होना है, वो भी अलग अलग होना है. Got it? Not same. If it is becoming same means it is a many one function dear students. I hope it is clear. I try my level best to convince you. So now see here. So why this implies what? 1 is not equal to -1. Yes or no? That is nothing but f of x1 is equal to f of x2. This implies x1 is not equal to x2 dear students. Got it? Because x1 is 1, x2 is -1. 1 is not equal to -1 dear students. This is nothing but f of x1 is equal to f of x2. F of x2, this is implies this is like this. Implies. Otherwise I will write below here. You see, implies x1 is not equal to x2. Therefore f is not 1-1 dear students. Understood? Not 1-1. Clear? So now on to, let us check on to. So on to what it says, you see. Now what you will get the range? Range of f. Range of f कितना आता है देखो सब. So yes बताते नोड़ी. Range of f is equal to how much you will get? So real number you will put here in x. आपका डोमेन क्या है? Domain is a real number. Real number you will put. What real numbers you will put? 1, 2, 3, 1.5, root 2, 0, -1, -2, -1.5, minus root 2. You will put or not like this, sir. Whatever values you put here. Now suppose 1 you are putting how much you got 2. Negative you are putting -1. -1 square is what? +1. 1 plus 1 is giving how much? 2 or not? That says if you put negative number also, square will convert to what? Positive. नेगेटिव नंबर डाले तो भी ये पॉजिटिव बनाता है और 1 तो पॉजिटिव है. पॉजिटिव प्लस पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव ही देता है ना. सो हमारा कोडोमेन इज व्हाट? रियल नंबर. रियल नंबर में नेगेटिव आता है कि नहीं? नेगेटिव आता है ना. सो रेंज मस्ट बी इक्वल टू कोडोमेन होना है. रेंज मस्ट बी इक्वल टू कोडोमेन. बट रेंज कोडोमेन यू सी रियल नंबर. रियल नंबर इज इक्वल टू योर रेंज. रेंज कितना आ रहा है? So how much it will be a minimum? So 0, if you put 0 square is how much? 0. 0 plus 1, 1 only. If you put negative also, it will convert to positive. 1 plus positive is again more than 1. Yes or no? My range will go from 1 to infinite dear students. Range. I am speaking about this range. So आप कुछ भी values डालो, रियल नंबर वो कितना देता है? 1 से इन्फिनिट. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದರ ಉತ್ತರ 1 ರಿಂದ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟ್ ತನಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? -1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು 1 ಆಯ್ತು. 1 ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. समझ में आ रहा है? सो ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು -2 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, -4 ಹಾಕಿ, -√2 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 1 ಅಗರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, 1 ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1ಗಿಂತನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು 1 ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ನಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. 0 ನಂಬರು ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 0 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 to ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ रेंज के इक्वल इरಬೇಕು ऑन टू होना ही है तो आपका रेंज जो आया है ना रेंज ये रेंज एक कोडोमेन को इक्वल होना ही है लेकिन कोडोमेन क्या है रियल नंबर है कोडोमेन ಏನಿದೆ रियल नंबर ಇದೆ ಆ रियल नंबर ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ರೇಂಜ್ ಏನೈತಿ 1 to infinite ಇದೆ range is what 1 to infinite but codomain is having what real number so real number is having negative but here negative numbers are not there so then you can say range is equal to codomain no so if range is not equal to codomain means function is not on to dear students clear up everyone chamka ke nahi sabko so if you are it is understanding please like my channel don't forget and if you are understanding more means comment me so range of f is not equal to what codomain of f dear students range of f is not equal to codomain of f so therefore then you can say f is not onto hence f is not bijective will you agree or not everyone so if bijective means what function is said to be a 1 1 and onto so but here function is not 1 1 and onto वो दोनों नहीं है अगर एक फेल हुआ तो बाइजेक्टिव नहीं बोलते हैं तो दोनों नहीं है तो बाइजेक्टिव नहीं हो सकता सो दैट्स व्हाई ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫೇಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 1 1 ಮತ್ತು ಆನ್ ಟು ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾइजेक्टिव ಅಂತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 1 ಇಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ ಟು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬಾइजेक्टिव ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ so that's why this is our required answer you will get 5 marks if you write like this in board exam dear students I hope it is clear if you are understanding this video and liking this video please like and subscribe my channel don't forget and each like will inspire me to do the next video dear students I hope you will support and help me so we'll meet you in my next class tab tak lage raho maths ke sath thank you please copy this